cook the fried dish. How you cook the fried dish? Some snapper fish, some festival. Food going down right there. Some pumpkin, some carrot. You cook the fried dish. Festival and fish you say to the Friday. Cook that down. A little bit meal with a cup of soup. That's how you cook the fried dish. It's not waiting to be had. I promise this snap is something. Believe me, I'm going to fix this snap. I'm going to teach this fish a lesson. It's wake up time. Typical festival just made in a different shape. So the first thing is a biscuit. Jamaican cookbook after fixing typical fried dish. A cup of chicken soup or lamb soup with some fish. Steam down with pumpkin. Of course, I'm going to do some fried plantain. Yes, fried plantain, I'm going to do it. It's all cooked down with some coconut oil. The founder for the yard. Coconut oil is the founder for the yard. Oh, cooked down with some coconut oil. How you cook the fried dish? Safely, how you cook the fried dish? Right. Some festival. Some tuna. And snapper is fried. How you cook some fried dish? Promise this is something, believe you me. I promise in this is something. And I got some pimento seed also. I promise this is something. Something.